Greetings, my name is Tlaka Kuketso and I'm a learner from Matlaisane Secondary School. And I'm not alone, I'm accompanied by
Manu Kusilwadi, a grade 8 pupil.
and
Oratiles Lat.
who are accompanied by
Sufatala Mkonyane, grade 8 level.
and
Kamela Mkonyane from Matlaisane Secondary School.
the topic we chose is food insecurity. We chose this topic after realizing that food insecurity is a global problem. We also chose this topic after realizing that the hardships endured by our fellow learners. We chose this topic after realizing that learners in our school have a low self-esteem due to their inferior school uniform. We chose this topic after realizing that learners in our school were passive before the school break because they were too hungry and had lacked energy and concentration. The participation in our classes gradually increases after the school break because by then they would have had something to eat. We chose this topic because majority of the learners in our school are social grants recipients, and majority of those learners come from disadvantaged backgrounds. Over to you, Manu.
Our project was aimed at reducing extreme poverty in school learners. The project was to come with intervention that need to be taken by our school as a platform can provide an important opportunity for prevention of poverty. It was also about raising funds so that we can buy food and proper school uniform for the most vulnerable learners. More importantly, the project was to get business people involved to help reduce the number of learners suffering from hunger or poverty. The project was about teaching learners about good nutrition and good practices. We were teaching learners about the effects of malnutrition and diseases associated with food nutrition. We were also raising up awareness about human rights. Over to you, Adina. The impact is that most of the learners became more responsible. We improved the number of absenteeism, pass rate, participation in class, and we supplied poor family with food and proper school uniform. On top of that, the learners became to gain confidence, dignity, self-esteem. And one of our members in YCAP team benefited from the whole project. Thank you. Over to Fat. By raising awareness to the other fellow learners, and we taught learners about those who are less fortunate should not take anything for granted. We got donations to feed learners during school holidays and food banks for non-perishable food. We raised 30,000 rand through donation. 3 businesses supported our project. Over to you, God. The outcome from our project is that learners' absenteeism improved by an overall of 15%. The team managed to donate to 10 learners. 10 poor learners were given school uniforms such as school winter dry max, pair of school shoes, and socks. Some learners were given fruits and vegetables. The participation in the class was improved because of positive self-esteem.
More action is needed rather than statement. Thank
Thank you.